Good day, guys. You are welcome to another video from Chat Lord FOREX. You're welcome. And then in this video I will quickly be explaining the analysis behind the USDcad buy that I took. What led me into taking this trade, the analysis and all that. I will quickly be running you guys through on what I was looking at on this particular chart. So let's get started here. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Chat Lord FOREX, for more videos like this. I will be doing them time to time just to show you exactly how you can simplify your trade with price action. Put out a read on the market and then take your trade accordingly. So in this particular pair, this is USDcad 1 hour chart. I've marked out the key areas, so I will just quickly be explaining exactly what is happening on this chart according to my knowledge. So I see the buyers coming in from this area. They push into this area like that, then they halt a little bit, then sellers try to come in around this area a little bit, then the buyers jump in again to give us a higher high. A higher high means that hey, the halt that the market was holding around this area, when it pushed second time, it breached this resistance. Now as at this point in time, when price was still around this area here, this particular area becomes a resistance area. So price breached this resistance. Now it goes further to give us a higher high like that. The high become higher like that, then it pulls back to the support area, using this place as a support. Now it tried to go higher, hit this resistance above here, come back again, and it pulled back to 100% of where the buyers were pushing from previously. But when it pushed back to this area, what did it do? It jumped back up almost immediately. Price couldn't really hold around this area. It jumped back almost immediately, and then what do you see? It started to hold at the other side, telling you that this move down here is not real. So it pulled back like that, back to this area as a support, then it tried to come down again. Then what do you see? The buyers aggressively push all the way to the top like that, telling you that hey, this mini resistance that is here, it break this resistance here to above, it break, telling you that hey, somebody pushing this market from here is a very, very strong buyer. Leave this particular area for dead, leave this particular area for dead, then go very, very far. So as at this point, I'm like, okay, now I can confirm that going by this 1 hour chart on USDcad, it seems to me like the buyers on this particular pair is for this pair to still continue to go higher. So now from this area, we started to see the sellers coming in. So, and we can see that the sellers too around this area, let me zoom out a little bit, was a little bit aggressive. Push down very aggressively like that. Then around this area, it started to slow down. Then it started to go, chop, started to slow down. The same seller that was coming in very, very aggressively around this area become very, very slow. When it gets to this, coming into around this support area here, it slowed down massively like that. It slowed down. Then coming in with this slowdown, I see the buyers after this week, this pin bar right there, coming in almost a little bit aggressive too. And then after it come in aggressively like that, break this little mini resistance right here, then what do you see? It started to hold at the other side. I'm not just eating this buy simply because okay, the market break, but I want to see that hey, the buyers are holding at the other side to tell me that okay, I think this is the same area, support area down here, and now market jumped to the other side after this mini range. Then it started to hold at the other side. You can see from here, he pushed down like that, he hold, he use this place as a support, he hold, he goes up again, you know, it starts to form another range right here now. Then he jump, he comes down again, and then jump up almost immediately, aggressive here. So when he pushed down, struggling right now, it's like okay, I think it's time for me to take my buy. So I took the buy around this area. Now the market is still ranging just around this area. Now I put in the stop loss. This is my stop, the dotted red line down here. This is my entry, and I'm looking forward to ride this market all the way to the top here. So I will be keeping an eye on this pair. I will keep you guys posted on how exactly this trade pans out in the coming days. But what tells you is that hey, I'm having a minimal risk because I'm buying around the buyer's area, then riding it always all the way to the top, you know. So it's about a case of about 3 to 4 reward to 1 risk on this particular pair now. So I just hope this kind of samples and analysis, you know, come handy for you guys, that hey, you don't need to mobile up everything on your chart with indicators or with analysis paralysis. You can just simplify it, you know, looking at it from looking at the chart from left to right like this, you know, understand exactly what is happening, you know, just by using simple support and resistance, direction of the market, you know, who is in control, and then from there you can take your trade. So I will most of the time dropping a live videos like this just to show you that hey, it sounds simple like this, but it's very, very powerful. So I will from time to time be dropping videos like this to show you guys of how exactly it can be done. So please don't forget once again to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Chat Lord FOREX, so that you can always see videos like this once we drop them. Thank you guys. Cheers.